Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the style of your clock on your lock screen. So say for example, you want to see an analog clock, or maybe you want to see this more spread out. Then let me show you how to change the style on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So first, go ahead and press the side button. This will open up your lock screen. Go ahead and long press on it. This will now ask you to unlock the screen to edit the lock screen. So go ahead and unlock it. Now next, you're gonna go ahead and tap on your time. From here, you'll see this menu at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on style. And now you can go ahead and select the different styles that are available. So you can have a small time and a date, a big time and a date, analog clock with a date, a calendar with a date, reminders with a date and a time, or time in a more stylish way. Down below here, you can also show weather information and you can show the date above the clock. Now, once you're happy with this, go ahead and tap on done. And now your time and date style has been changed on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.